Okay, so hi again, Lily. I just completed my first one made out of natural wood that was outside. And here it is. My hands are all covered in paint, but here it is. And there's a knot in the wood where like branches came out, and it was right where your hand goes, so like that. Hold it like that. And so I painted it brown, and then around the knot I put 2 strips of leather, 2 strips of leather, natural leather, and that's basically it. This is my first wand, made out of wood that I picked up from the ground outside, and I think it turned out pretty good. Okay, see you next time. See you Monday, Lily.